Hobo Nichol hot seat giveaway. Me. I won. I had nothing to do with it. It's not my fault. But here is my new cooker. A box of accessories I ordered separately. So we'll see what's in the box. Stay tuned. Fill in. Hey YouTube, Phil and Florence. Been a while since I've been on here with a cook, and I still won't be cooking today. This is an unboxing video. I've been putting it off for several weeks. You remember several weeks ago, Kris over at Hobo Nichol Hot Seat had some special guests. It was Noah and Amber from Pit Barrel Cookers. Well, they decided to bring a pit barrel into the program to give away at the end of, their interview. And so everybody that left comments was entered into the contest. You know how it works. Well, I just entered my comment, and lo and behold, a couple of weeks later, while I was at a wedding, we went to the reception area, and while we were waiting on the food to get ready, I looked at my phone and I noticed some fellow YouTubers chatting, and one of them happened to say, I think it was Big Lou Barbecue, he said, "Did y'all hear that Phil and Florence won the Pit Barrel Cooker?" I saw that right there. I said, "You got to be kidding me." And I just won a t-shirt and some rub and some other things in the past few months. And so I looked at my wife Janet and I said, "Do you realize they're saying I won that pit barrel?" I said, "I can't believe that." Anyway, I told Big Lou they were just pulling my leg, they were joshing me, and I thought they were setting me up, but he sent me the link of Hobo Nichol announcing the winner, and sure enough, when he saw my name pop up, you'd have to know the background of all this. Everybody's been talking about Phil and Florence wins everything. And, I'm just a innocent bystander, sitting here minding my own business, and I win stuff. I'm sorry. I'm a winner. I'm a born winner, not a born loser. Anyway, right here it is. Look at there. Look at there. It's actually here. PBC. And I've watched 1,000 pit barrel cooker videos. I know I have. It's a wonderful cooker, and I've seen people cooking on them for the last, year and a half. And so I know all about this cooker. I feel like I've really had one. We watched so many videos on it. I know how it cooks. I know how to use it. Well, I knew if I got it, I would need some accessories. And you know me, I got me some accessories. As soon as I found out I had won, I went ahead right away and ordered some accessories. I got the little half chimney, so you can get down in that tight quarter of the drum and add charcoal. I got a cover. Gotta have a cover. You gotta cover your stuff. I got the stainless steel charcoal base to let your coals go down on. I had to have that. When first time I saw that, I said that's a no-brainer. Then I had to have the hinge grate. When you turn it over, the hinge drops down and you can hang on one side, and it's open where you can hang on that side and cook bud or vegetables or whatever on the other side. Gotta have that. And of course, got some gloves. So and I already had ordered a year ago some hooks in the little handle, because I had a WSM with the hanging rack, so I had already gotten some of those, but more come in the box. So let's see what else is in this box. You stand by. Okay, I know y'all seen plenty of unboxings, but here's a nice little welcome message. Welcome to the Barrelution. Thank you for your business. And by the way, Kris at Hobo Nichol, thanks for having this opportunity. Thanks for having them over as guests to interview. And thank you to Amber and Noah for the nice gift to give away, which I happen to win because I'm a lucky guy. Wait a minute, my little leprechaun's over there got loose. Okay, right off the top, we've got some all-purpose rub and beef and game rub right in the box. So I'll be using that on a future cook. Got the manual and sticker and so forth. I'll be looking that over. Okay, we got the lid. I had a box cutter, which I do. We'll see what's in these little boxes. Okay, looks like the horseshoe handle, a little screwdriver, Phillips head, hooks, 8 hooks. So, let's get down in here. There's the base. You can feel the nice thick layer of paint and whatever that's on there. The grate. More packing. I think I got it freed up now where it will come out. Get this extra weight out. Yeah, that's an extra. Extra 20 pounds. I won't have to lift out of there. By the way, that's the charcoal basket. Nice, heavy. I like that. Come up out of there, boy. Here we go. Here's the rebar. And I guess that handle's in there. I saw that on another unboxing. Here we go. There's the barrel. Pit barrel cooker. Got a nice little stamp on there. Troops and veterans. I can't read that. I don't have my glasses on, but little message there. Slide this base over here. Set it down on there. You got an empty drum there. We'll go in. Actually, we need something. I kind of agree with Kris McDowell. He just did an unboxing. Go check his channel out. This plate probably should come with this thing, but anyway, it just hooks on with these brackets to slide underneath the other brackets on the stainless steel bottom. That catches the ash under here, so when you lift it up out of there, the ash comes with it, the majority of it. That's a great feature. Alright, we'll set that down in there. You stay there. Got the other accessory grate. Now, there you go. You know how it works. You hang through here, ribs and whatever, and cook over here. That's a cool feature. I like that. See that? You hang on the rods down through there and you cook on there your butt or anything else you have, vegetables. Okay, here is the wrench, the screwdriver, the handle, and a little package of bolts and nuts and washers. Get your lid, both through the horseshoe handle, stick it in there, a washer, and a nut. And you do the same thing on the other side, on the other hole. Take the screwdriver and hold the head. Take your wrench, tighten it up. It's hot out here. I'm telling you, we're in the summertime. It's supposed to be 94 today. So, I'm swing the camera around so you can get a quick view of my garden. I'm telling you, the corn is taller than I am. I'm 6 foot. And the corn is, I've got 2 plantings. I replanted the voids, but the ones with the tassels, it's like 7 feet tall, at least. And it's got ears on it already. I mean, about the time my kitchen gets done, corn will be coming off in 2 weeks. It's really done. The cabinets are in, just as an update. The cabinets are installed. They gotta install the doors. Everything's in place. The cooktop's up and working. I've got a gas cooktop now. So I'm looking forward to that. I might just get a pot in there or a pan in there and throw some bacon in it or something. Or do some pancakes just to show it to you real quick. We're waiting on the granite people. So it's gonna be 2 weeks before they get here. So we're gonna have to sit here and stare at this new kitchen for 2 weeks. A lot going on. So I wanted to show you this PBC and unbox it for you. Stay tuned and I'll be back. Phil and Florence, thanks for watching. Take it off. That's for sure. Goes all the way down to the bottom and around the bottom. There we go. Doesn't just fall on there. You have to, you know, put it on for keeps. It's staying there. See what we got here. Getting crowded out here. Have mercy. All right. Look up there watching me. He's ready to go inside that air conditioner. Out.